Windows Me. Officially known as the Millennium Edition, this was the final entry in the consumer line that relied on the aging DOS foundation. It was marketed toward home users with new multimedia tools like Movie Maker and an improved media player. However, it was frequently criticized for being prone to crashes, leading many users to stick with older versions or wait for the next big transition. Windows 2000. While Me was for home users, this version was built for professionals and businesses. It was based on the NT architecture, which was much more stable and secure than the consumer versions of the time. It proved to be incredibly reliable, serving as the backbone for office workstations and servers for many years. Windows XP. Released in 2001, this version famously merged the stability of the professional NT line with the user-friendly nature of the home editions. With its bright blue taskbar and green start button, it became one of the most beloved and long-lasting operating systems in history. It remained the standard for over a decade because it was fast, compatible with almost everything, and easy to use. Windows Vista. This 2007 update introduced the Aero Glass aesthetic, featuring transparent window borders and high-resolution visuals. It brought in new security measures like user account control, which asked for permission before making system changes. Despite the visual flair, it struggled with performance issues and aggressive hardware requirements that made it difficult for many existing computers to run smoothly. Windows 7. Often seen as the fix for the problems of its predecessor, this version arrived in 2009 to massive acclaim. It kept the beautiful glass look of Vista but stripped away the performance lag and simplified the user interface. It introduced the ability to snap windows to the sides of the screen and pinned apps to the taskbar, creating a workflow that many people still prefer today. Windows 8. This was a radical departure from tradition that removed the start menu in favor of a full-screen grid of colorful live tiles. Designed with tablets and touchscreens in mind, it tried to bridge the gap between mobile and desktop computing. Many traditional PC users found the change jarring, as the interface felt split between two different worlds that didn't always work well together. Windows 10. Microsoft returned to a more familiar layout in 2015 by bringing back the Start menu while keeping the modern features of previous versions. It was designed as a service, meaning it received constant updates and improvements over time rather than being replaced every few years. It introduced the Microsoft Store and integrated voice assistants, becoming the dominant platform for gaming and productivity alike. Windows 11. The current standard features a centered taskbar and a simplified pastel-colored design intended to feel more modern and calm. It places a heavy emphasis on productivity, with improved window layout tools and better support for virtual desktops. Under the hood, it requires specific security hardware, marking a shift toward making PCs more resilient against modern digital threats.